Today, I'll show you how to transfer files from Dropbox to Google Drive. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. For most personal users, the simplest and most reliable way to move files from Dropbox to Google Drive is to download the files from Dropbox to your computer first, and then upload them into Google Drive. Dropbox's official help shows that you can download files and folders from Dropbox.com, and Google's official Drive help shows that you can upload files and folders into Google Drive from your computer. Let's start with Dropbox. Open Dropbox.com in your browser and sign in to the account that has the files you want to move. Then find the file or folder, select it, and download it to your computer. Dropbox says you can download files and folders directly from your account on the web. If the folder downloads as a zip file, make sure you extract it first before uploading it to Google Drive, so the contents stay organized properly. Now go to Google Drive and sign into the account where you want the files to end up. Google says that on a computer, you can click New, then choose File Upload or Folder Upload, and select the files or folders you want to transfer. So if you downloaded one folder from Dropbox, choose Folder Upload. If you downloaded individual files, use File Upload instead. If you have a lot of files, another practical option is to use the desktop apps. Dropbox says its desktop app syncs your Dropbox files to your computer, and Google says Drive for Desktop can sync Drive files on the same computer as well. That can make large transfers easier because you can move files through your computer instead of uploading everything manually in a browser. One more thing to keep in mind is that upload and download time will depend on your internet speed and the total file size. Large folders, videos, or photo libraries may take longer, so it's a good idea to check that everything finished uploading in Google Drive before deleting anything from Dropbox. That's a practical step based on the download, then upload workflow both services document. So, in simple terms, download the files from Dropbox, then upload them into Google Drive. That is the clearest and most dependable transfer method for most users. And that's how to transfer files from Dropbox to Google Drive. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.